If you are still not able to wake up early, you are not able to do the work which you need to do, which you should do, and you keep procrastinating and delaying your work, and you're not even able to wake up early and directly get hop onto the work, then I'm telling you, it's all your fault. You feel so low, it's your fault. You feel depressed, it's your fault. Yes, मैं तुम्हें यहाँ पे आके कोई सिंपैथी नहीं देने वाला हूँ कि कुछ नहीं होता, आगे कल का दिन अच्छा होगा, लेकिन अगर तुम यही सब करते रहोगे तो कल का दिन कभी अच्छा नहीं होगा और तुम्हें पता भी नहीं लगेगा कैसे यू विल स्नैप इनटू एज 27-28 एंड तब तुम्हें रियलाइज होगा, ओ आई रियली फक्ड अप माई लाइफ. नाउ ऑल आई कैन डू इज अ 9 to 5 जॉब or something which I hate, which I don't like doing, but I have to do for survival for rest of my life every single day. That is the worst situation you will be in. But you know what? The bar is stupid low. Do not believe in everything you see online. You literally own 90% of the places if you just don't beat your meat, hit gym 3x or 5x times a week, and make around 2.5 lakh a month and speak with complete conviction. Everyone around you is just zombies. They are not living, they are just existing. They don't even know that how much they are capable of. So all you need is a high energy, a strong body, a sharp mind, and a livable cash flow, and pretty good social skills, and every else problem is just your self-esteem problem. So in today's video I'm going to tell you 8 steps to unfuck your life and rewire your brain fully. So I will directly get into it. Step 1: fix your morning. Wake up with fire. Yes, you have to dominate your morning. You have to wake up like you are a man on mission. Wake up early. Do not make excuses. Do not hit the snooze button. No scrolling, no snoozing, just war mode. Yeah, if you feel like you are not able to do that, wake up and have a cold shower without any excuse. Do not think that क्या होगा, मैं उठूँ नहीं उठूँ, 1 घंटा और सो जाता हूँ. अपने दिमाग के सब ऑप्शंस मत दो. तुम्हारा दिमाग तुमको बोलेगा, बिकॉज योर माइंड इज योर बिगेस्ट एनिमी एंड योर closest friend. You need to understand that what game you are playing, how you want to treat it, because you need to command your mind. Your mind should not command you. You need to get that fact inside your brain. So wake up in the morning, journalize, visualize, or maybe plan your day if you're not doing that night before, which I suggest you to do, and directly hop into the cold shower, and you will feel like that you have achieved something, and then the real dopamine hit will get inside you, and you will dominate your morning. A very simple step: do not hit snooze. Wake up 6 a.m. in the morning or 7 a.m. in the morning, and do not hit snooze. Directly go for a cold shower without any excuse. तुम्हारा दिमाग तुम्हें बहुत सारे excuses देगा, but do not hear to it. Which brings us to our second step, which is train like a warrior. Weak body is equal to weak mind. Period. There is nothing else you can do. The fact is, you are not actually depressed. You are undertrained. You are not moving your body. तुम एक जगह बैठे रहते हो, फोन में रील्स देखते रहते हो. You are not even capable of reading the books. That's simply because you are undertrained. You have to move with motion. Like तुम्हें अपने लाइफ में मोशन लेके आना पड़ेगा. Get the movement. Like go for sprints, lift heavy weights, hit gym workouts. Maybe if you are alone, you do not have any partner, do it all alone. Do not get dependent upon anyone. You can do it alone, and it is a slow procedure, but after 3 months, 4 months, I guarantee you will see results and you will love it. You will love how you feel about yourself. You will love how other people see you. You will love how you see yourself. Feel the resistance? That's where power lies. I'm telling you, men are forged in sweat, not in softness. I repeat, men are forged in sweat, not in softness. If you want to be powerful, if you do not want to be weak, work your ass off, train your body. Which brings us to the third step, which is eat like a machine, not like a slave. Yes, you need to control your diet. What do I mean from it? बहुत सिंपल चीज़ है. Eat whole foods as much as possible. Processed foods को जितना छोड़ सको उतना छोड़ो. Every meal में प्रोटीन ऐड कर दो. I'm not talking about whey protein. I'm talking about natural protein like meat, like eggs, like soya beans. अगर तुम वेजिटेरियन हो, so yeah, हर मील में प्रोटीन ऐड कर दो. एक कार्ब लेस हाई प्रोटीन मील तीनों टाइम खाओ. That's it. You do not need to eat more than that because you are not eating for your body. You have to eat for your mind. तुम्हें वो चीज़ समझनी होगी. When you eat to fuel your mind, to fuel your body. तुम टेस्ट के लिए मजे के लिए नहीं खा रहे हो. Cut down sugar to absolute 0%, and I am telling you, you will see the difference in your face structure. You will see the difference on how you think, how fast you think, and you will see the difference in your focus. I'm telling you, because discipline starts with what's on your plate. Fuel your body like a high performance engine, and you need to understand that meat, eggs, water, repeat. That's my simple diet. Either I eat chicken or eggs or rice and some vegetables. That is and probably protein oats. That is my diet 90% of the time. Even if I go out, what I eat is roti and chicken. As simple as that. I eat whole food as much as I can. Do not eat processed food. Fourth step, you need to reprogram your brain. Your brain isn't broken, it's just misprogrammed. Thoughts are really, really powerful. Do not underestimate them. Do not think low for yourself. Always think high for yourself. People will say you are arrogant or you have overconfidence, but I am telling you, do not allow weakness in your mind, because you will either control your thoughts or your thoughts will control you. You don't know the power of subconscious mind. It actually exists. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि हवा हवाई की बात है, no, it's not. Think high for yourself. Your brain is not broken. Always think that you are sharp enough to understand things. Always think that you are powerful enough to think for any solution that is given to you. Always think that you can solve any problem and you can bring the best out of the problem which is in front of you. You need to understand it. Thoughts are really, really powerful. You need to reprogram your whole brain into believing into yourself that you can do everything. If you want to become the best basketball player next year, you can do it. You need to reprogram your brain that strong. You need to make it bulletproof, that you just don't give a fuck about anyone and about anything. All you do is you are focused and you are thinking just about your end goal. Step 5. Time management. Yes, time is your only asset. You are not too busy, you are just undisciplined. I am telling you, you have to block your hours, crash your targets, and every second should be feeding towards your legacy, towards anything, any goal you are working for. Maybe you want to clear your NEET exam next year, so every second should be related to that. या तो तुम किसी से कन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हो तो उससे रिलेटेड कर रहे हो. तुम्हें लगता होगा कि बैलेंस होना ज़रूरी है, मुझे चिल करना ज़रूरी है. फक दैट चिलिंग, बिकॉज तुम्हें एक चीज़ समझनी पड़ेगी कि यू हैव लिमिटेड टाइम, एंड अगर तुम अगले साल फिर ड्रॉप लेने वाले हो देन यू आर अ फूल. तुम्हें एक साल में उस चीज़ को क्लियर करना चाहिए. इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी एग्जाम, इट इज़ जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग. सो बी रूथलेस विथ योर टाइम. टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज अ स्किल विच यू नीड टू लर्न एज सून एज पॉसिबल, विच ब्रिंग्स अस टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप विच इज आवर 6th स्टेप. टेक रूथलेस एक्शन. सिर्फ टाइम मैनेजमेंट से काम नहीं बनेगा. वॉट यू डू इज राइट नाउ यू कीप स्क्रोलिंग, यू कीप डिलेइंग द वर्क, बट वॉट आई वॉन्ट यू टू डू इज टेक एक्शन रूथलेसली. अगर तुम्हें कोई चीज़ सोची कि तुम्हें करनी है, डू इट. डू नॉट थिंक अबाउट इट कि सामने लगा अगर मैं कॉल करके पूछूंगा, हेजिटेट मत करो. वॉट ही विल ही से. Probably in 1 week he will forget until unless you abused him. I am telling you that. So जस्ट टेक द फॉलो अप्स, डो नॉट बेशरम हो जाओ उस चीज में, बेशरम हो के एक्शंस लो, डो नॉट थिंक अबाउट इट, बिकॉज एक्शन ब्रीड्स टू क्लैरिटी एंड हेजिटेशन ब्रीड्स टू रिग्रेट, एंड कीप zero regrets in your life. Step 7, sleep like a weapon, not an escape. Sleep isn't for escaping for your life, because लोग क्या करते हैं, उन्हें प्रॉब्लम हो रही होती है, they just sleep. Literally people sleep because उन्हें प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं करनी है, but that is not what sleep is for. Sleep is for recovery. You are preparing for war for the next day. You are preparing to be better for next day. So sleep is recovery. Sleep for around 6:30 to 7 hours, not more than that. That is enough for you if you are adult like 18 plus, not more than that. Black out your every light, even AC की लाइट है उसको भी बंद कर दो, and what you should do is sleep like a baby to recover yourself. Now which brings us to 8th step, which is consistency. Yes, stay consistent no matter what. नो डेज ऑफ, किसी दिन तुम 100% दे पाओगे, किसी दिन तुम सिर्फ 20% दे पाओगे. वॉट मैटर इज कि नथिंग शुड नॉट बी देयर, बिकॉज एनीथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग. अगर जिम मारने का मन नहीं कर रहा, जाओ 2 एक्सरसाइज करके आओ, वहां जाके अपने आप मन करने लगेगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज मैं बहुत कंसिस्टेंट रहता हूँ हर चीज में. विच एवर आई स्टार्ट, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता कि उसके रिजल्ट आ रहे हैं कि नहीं आ रहे हैं. आई स्टे कंसिस्टेंट एंड आई स्टिक टू द प्लान, एंड दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स यू डिफरेंस फ्रॉम 99% of the people. You need to stay consistent, because वो छोटी डेली विंस तुम्हारे दिमाग को एविडेंस देती है एंड बिलीव बनाती है दैट यू कैन विन बिगर थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ. एंड एज अर्ली एज यू स्टार्ट इम्प्लीमेंटिंग दैम, इट रीवायर्स योर होल ब्रेन एंड रीवायर्स योर होल बॉडी एंड रीवायर्स योर इन्वायरमेंट, बिकॉज अब तुम इन्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से नहीं चल रहे हो, क्योंकि तुमने इंटरनल अपने आप को पहचान लिया. अब तुम्हें नहीं मतलब है कि हाउ यू आर फीलिंग एंड बाहर आज जिम में मौसम कैसा है, बाहर बारिश हो गई या कुछ हो गया. यू आर डूइंग व्हाट इज नीडेड टू बी डन, एज सिंपल एज दैट. स्टैक सो मेनी विंस दैट लूजिंग बिकम्स इम्पॉसिबल. नाउ दिस वर द 8 steps that will unfuck your life if you actually stick to them. And you have been soft for too long. These 8 steps will rewire your brain, restructure your discipline, and put your life back on track. So no more excuses, no more guilt. Just fire, just motion, and just results. That's what life is. Do not fake yourself from this online bullshit. I am telling you that. Do not fake yourself. Do not bullshit yourself. All the people are just existing. You need to live. So get up, get dangerous, and get to the work. God bless you. Hustle hard. Peace out.